Old man knows what he's talking about.
We got kicked out. What'd you want for it?
$20. Would you willing to go 25?
Mainly sell on eBay.
Oh, what's this though?
What you got?
Stuff for work stuff, and I can't do either one of them.
Either one.
Because it's any tool a man has got it.
Oh, that is cool. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's
If
anything
you're doing the internet,
that I need.
I look at that.
I know, I just try not to do big stuff.
I try to avoid it. Keep that away to the fly.
Oh, nice. What are you asking on them?
Together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make me an offer.
I know, I just want to know what your ballpark is. I was like, they're
We don't
cool.
insult anybody.
I don't even know, man. Honestly,
It's less to put back in.
less to put back in and too much of a pain to sell on eBay.
Right.
You know.
We know how. We trust me. I quit.
Yeah.
He ain't learned yet.
I imagine that you all know how that goes.
Yes. They're cool.
All right, you be good.
You take care, man.
Too heavy for me.
That, well, I'm the same way where
It wasn't a year ago, but things go to hell.
just because, you know, I'm going to be cruising around. There's a few in the neighborhood, but
Oh, really?
yeah.
I don't know, 30 bucks, 40 bucks?
For the both?
Sure.
Yeah, yeah. I'll
That
do.
works.
I'll do.
I mean, this ain't going nowhere.
It's okay.
There you go.
There you go.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Judy, help carry these.
Old man knows what he's talking about.
That older gentleman was such a good friend. We see him at thrift stores all the time, and he pointed those things out to pick up. Those go for anywhere from like $100 to $200 a piece. Might sell them cheap to another friend because I don't mind helping out other resellers. But yeah, I'm out here in the reformatted eBay shed. We had to relocate because we were no longer in the house. We had the back sunroom back there, but we got kicked out. Sorry, eBay. But we kept everything in its category, in our bins, organized the totes. We used the SKU system on eBay. Clothing racks are right here. We actually, these roll because we really need them to, because right back here is all of our shoes. Our shoe bins are all located back there. Over here is some of our marketplace stuff that we have listed locally. SpongeBob TV that I need to get listed. And then in this jumbled mess is still stuff to be working on. Might be some yard sale stuff. We like doing yard sales at our house. But yeah, we're going to jump back to it. I did ask this guy. Turned the camera off. Got back to the van. Before I stepped foot in the van, I said, by the way, do you have... And he said, I haven't got to them yet. I do have some to bring out. I said, there's some more yard sales. We're going to run around, go check out some more stuff, and we'll zoom back by. So stay tuned. We go back to this yard sale and get another good deal.
I have a manger scene, a big manger scene out there. That, you know, sits outside and lights up. Hi, how are you all?
Hey, said you got a big manger scene?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
You want to look at it?
Sure.
Out in the shed. I didn't get anything out. That chair's not for sale.
It's an old little...
Oh yeah.
Hold on, let me get some shoes on.
Okay. She got a blow mold set. I think so, yeah.
You'll have to excuse my...
Hey, trust me. Trust me, I gotta cut my backyard now.
So, I can't get this open right here.
Gotcha.
Uh,
Oh yeah, Mary and Joseph, yeah.
I have that too.
And little baby Jesus.
Uh-huh.
What'd you want for it?
$20.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, I can do that.
You want to see it first?
Let me see.
it's nothing wrong with it. I should ask more for it, but
Right. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get it in the van.
would you willing to go 25?
There you go.
This will come out of here.
Yeah, I'm gonna check with my wife.
Oh, just okay.
I mean, we drove here. Yeah.
Jesus, Mary, and Joseph.
Now to get it in the van.
It'll fit.
It'll. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Might fit in the back. It just might. Look at that. Man, I tried to stop by yesterday.
I got some of them. I'm still trying to find some more games.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I know you got ready to move down here and then the carpet.
Right, you were like, everything moved.
And we just threw stuff in the thing and moved it out of the way when we come in to do the carpets. And now you're like, where's it at?
I know how that goes. Found something.
Found something, but I don't know where those games are. I can't figure out where I put them.
Okay.
This one's, they both work. I don't know where the remotes to these are. I just know and they're probably with the games.
He's like,
Done that whole upstairs, so it's like you don't
that's what he told me. He was like, you know, he was like, yeah, we're just moving stuff around, and that's the way it always happens, though. You know. Okay.
Any that I said didn't have it all for 15. You know?
It's okay. I know where you go to church, so.
Yeah, hey, if I find them, I'll bring them to
Dude,
church tomorrow.
dude, you're fine.
Yeah, if I find them, I'll bring them to church tomorrow. I'll sit here and look for them today, because I know I stuck them somewhere. Because I remember I said, hey,
Yeah.
I'm going to, because she was like, let's just get rid of these. And I said, no, I'm going to keep them for the guy who goes to church with us. And I can't remember what the heck I did with them.
Yeah, we've been cleaning out.
I
Put
understand.
new carpet upstairs.
And do 15 on them?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to think of myself at where I ended up putting them. I may end up putting them in something out here.
How's it going? Just the day to get rid of some stuff, right? Said the day to get rid of some stuff.
Yep.
The old toys, video games, anything like that?
Video games? Yeah, I might have some.
You know.
Let me look.
And then what'd you want on the kiddie pool?
The kiddie pool?
Alright.
We went for like $5, $2. $2.
Yeah, we'll take that. But yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a look. See
Okay.
If I got anything.
Yeah, got any stuff that you don't play anymore? Or
Video games. You got any video games you can think of?
Oh, what system?
what you got?
I got a old Xbox 360.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, go look. They got a bunch of old games.
He's just going to bring out some video games.
Is it?
Yeah. So I got old Xbox 360 and I got a bunch of stuff. You got some good books here. Yeah, I appreciate that.
Thanks.
Yeah, I saw John Bevere. I saw Tony Evans. I was like, yeah, that's some good stuff.
And my husband being out more, we have a whole
Okay.
bunch of games.
I saw that when I was Googling, so I, okay. All right.
He's like, oh yeah, I got games. Okay. Yeah, what would you do on those?
These are 4, I think.
do that too bad.
30?
He said if we charge those.
I'm like, I don't think we're cheaper than 30, but that's just really like 10.
We do 20?
20, 20, 20.
Maybe 20.
Meet in the middle.
Yeah. There you go.
But yeah, good luck with your garden though.
Yeah.
I mean,
Thank you for the corners.
trust me,
Some stuff today.
it's all learning curve. No, I appreciate you going to get these, man.
Yeah, I know I got more stuff. I I don't know. I have time to keep looking.
Trust me, I understand.
Yeah.
I was like,
looking for like an old Xbox.
yeah,
How much will you be willing to give for an old Xbox?
just depends on if it's got the controllers,
Yeah,
all that
controllers.
stuff.
You still have it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You ain't got the 64 yet?
I didn't bring it with me because it's in that container.
Oh.
Yeah. So this probably has a game in it, but
Hold the 360.
yeah. I mean, you can have it for like
Oh, you thought it was
20
a regular
bucks.
Xbox.
Okay, we can do. They got the controller.
Yeah, HDMI cord.
Oh yeah.
Let me get you a different one. That says Nintendo. So
I had just got
Yeah.
Super Smash for GameCube.
oh yeah, see look.
Super Smash Melee.
That's what I'm thinking, right?
Best
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the big one.
I'm gonna go get the right one.
Oh, trust me. Every time I move my stuff around, or my kids are like, "Do we got any PlayStation?" You know, and I'm like, "Oh, jeez."
I swear I thought I had one of those on this Game Boy. This is any good.
NCAA. You see, they're coming out with the new one now. I know. I was like, "Are you gonna make me go get it?"
You know, you don't need to buy it on a new system to play.
Just to say I have it. Yeah. Because I was like, I played the mess out of the last one that came out.
Oh yeah.
But I was like, oh gosh, it's gonna look so good.
Yep.
All right. Let me see these two. What you looking at?
I was like, oh, that up. Then I was like, oh, it's a label.
Label printer.
Okay.
That for sure. Look at that fanny pack. I was seeing if there was anything in here. I don't think there's any crazy games in there.
No, it says Aladdin and then Super Mario Land
Okay.
is in the Game Boy. What? I don't. Is it?
I don't know where I would put it at.
Okay.
I know that whole on back, but I'm still thinking about
All right, your PS2 and your Game Boy. Yep, just the PS2 games and the Game Boy. Because I was like, the PS3 ones, you know.
Yeah, I think my brother snaked a bunch of them from me, man.
that-
I'm looking at my
that-
thing
it
and I'm
happens.
like, oh, he's got them.
You're like, I know where this is.
Yeah. No. What are you thinking?
I was looking at
You tell me, man. Thanks for bringing them out.
Yeah, shoot, I know that Game Boy. I don't know.
I don't know where I put it.
25 bucks? 20 bucks?
20 bucks?
20 bucks.
All right, man. That will work. But all in all, what an incredible day of yard sales. Finding all the video game stuff, starting off with some like antique items that'll hopefully do pretty good. Might do those locally as well. Let me show you the old eBay inventory space that now has a new purpose. Welcome to what used to be our inventory space. Oh, looky there. I'll try to put up what little bit of photos I didn't do a before and after, but I used to record some of the videos in this room. So here is the new inventory and shipping station. We're still getting some things worked through and put away, but all of our shipping supplies are on this one over here. This was our shipping area, and it had all of those racks in here. We had hung these big blinds up a while ago to not have sun beating down on our inventory, stuff like that, but we have turned this into our oldest son's bedroom. He loves it. Our boys had been sharing bunk beds in that space. I just got done with this project today. I'll throw up a photo of what this did look like, but we have been working on doing this. It's not a finished product yet. He likes just coming out here to sleep now because he's like camping. He loves it. But we've been getting stuff worked on. We have a little bit more of our stuff to get out of here and a little more to make it kind of his own space. But there you have it. Won't be recording in here a whole lot more. It's his bedroom now. We redid our listing space. Our shipping area is new. I can show you that if you guys want to see it. But yes, thank you for watching this video. Thanks for hanging out. Always subscribe. You guys are helping the channel grow. You're helping our family out when you do that. Just watching helps us out so much. So we can't thank you enough. And stay tuned. We're always going to be bringing you more incredible stuff. Whatever we can find, whatever we can help show you that can bring some value or some collectability, we're always going to try to do that. But thanks for tuning into this video. We can't wait to see you in the next one.